Hi guys, welcome to the Crypto Bit Wiz show, and today we're going to talk about the 3 coins I'm most bullish on in this 2024 bull run. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, welcome to the channel and make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're trying to reach our first 1,000 subscribers, so I hope you can help me with that. P.S. The first 1,000 subscribers will receive a prize. And guys, make sure to also smash that like button on this video. It's the first thing you can do to support the adoption of cryptocurrencies is to like this video. The number one coin I'm most bullish on is not going to shock anyone because it's been on everyone's lips for a while now, and that's XRP. I said XRP, guys, XRP. Look out for XRP, guys, when this bull run hits. I've been telling you forever that the fact is XRP is going to take off. And the fact that it's at 56 cents right now is incredible value for where this coin is going. It has the partnerships, it has the products, it has the software, it has the blockchain, it has the community, it has everything you want. It's in a profitable sector. XRP is the future of the banking industry. Of course, XRP is the future of banking, international transfers, and cross-border payments. Remittance payments in the banking world, the financial world, the traditional world. You can't go wrong with XRP. Of course, it's going to go to 89 cents. It's going to go to $2.20. It's going to go to $5.89. I don't know, but what I can tell you is that the price is going to be higher than it is right now, almost guaranteed. I can never say 100% guaranteed. I think $1.50 XRP is right in the sights. This is my opinion, of course, shared with important investors in the crypto space. The number 2 coin I'm most bullish on for this bull run is Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is not going to be the number 1 gainer of this bull run. I think XRP is going to be the number 1 gainer. Ethereum, I don't know if it's going to be the 17th coin, the 52nd coin, I don't know what it's going to be. Nobody expected Shiba and SafeMoon to be the type of coins in the last bull run. They didn't exist before it started. Okay, so we'll have some new coins, I'm sure, but the fact is, with Ethereum and the effects of the merge, there's no doubt, guys. Ethereum has remained stable in the last year. The price this year and the price last year are pretty much the same. The whole bear market has never gone below $900. Ethereum with the merge is now moving towards being like digital gold, like Bitcoin, right? Because what does that mean? It means that the value is in holding it. And when institutions see that, institutions are going to come in. And institutions are the ones that have the greatest potential to turn Ethereum into a killer in this bull run, even more than it already has been. Right now, it's the number 1 layer 1 platform, and it's going to continue to be that for a long time in the next 4 years. Not now. Even though Ethereum's advantage is too big, Ethereum really needs NFTs to come back, but in theory, things have to really explode to get the maximum amount. It could be $20,000, it could hit $10,000. Somewhere in the middle is probably where it's going to hit. Somewhere between 8 and 20K, we'll see what happens. My thought is that 10K should be a sure shot. Even though it didn't happen in the last bull run, it came very close. The fact is that it needed 100x to go from about $5,000 to $10,000 roughly. But guys, 2x is the difference between a 17x and an 18x. It doesn't seem like much when you start getting the numbers up there. It wasn't as far away as people think it was, but we're definitely suspecting that there are good things for Ethereum. The next coin is Dogecoin. Shocking, I know. I say Dogecoin because, guys, you're almost going to integrate this thing into XRP. I don't see any question about it. I think when you look at his overall plan, there's always been a plan in motion for him. He has control of XRP, and that's really what it comes down to. You know that Dogecoin doesn't have a lot of things going for it other than the fact that it's a meme coin and Elon Musk is behind it. You guys have entered the XRP case. I've made a lot of predictions. I told you guys that Ethereum would still be number 1 after the bull run. Like I told you guys all of these things. This is definitely one of the things that I believe is that Dogecoin would be integrated with XRP. It's hard to pick a winner there. They're going to eat each other, I think, and they're both going to do well. But at the moment, I haven't decided which one I like the most for this run. That's it, guys. Make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe button to the Crypto Bit Wiz channel, and remember that the first 1,000 subscribers will receive a prize. See you next video.